Well, Ed, you've had that sword for a whole 10 minutes and you've already destroyed the door. Good job.
Not all of it. We should go to the magic door more often. I got a mirror. Is it magical? Who cares? I'm looking good.
Matilda, please stop saying words for a really long time. It freaks me out.
So what's in the box, Tamara?
I don't know. Maybe it's donuts.
Was it donuts?
No. Nuts.
Cower in fear as you have opened the cursed box and unleashed the terror of...
Can I call you Daisy?
No!
Who gets trapped in a box?
Shut up!
Do you have any donuts?
Okay, that's it.
No, not the face!
Guys, I have an idea. No, seriously,
Heads up!
Why don't I just throw the glowing
Eat this!
Abracadabra!
Oh, no.
Matilda, watch out!
I'm sure glad there are only donuts in this box and no evil demon ghosts.
Yeah, I'm glad that oddly specific thing isn't happening as well.
Thank you.